Hey everyone, welcome. In this video we are talking about how to withdraw or transfer money using just a card number and CVV without OTP. So my friends, you need to understand what card info can and can't do. A card number and CVV are part of your card's security, but alone they usually can't be used to withdraw money without OTP or some other form of verification. That's because most financial platforms follow two-factor authentication rules for fraud prevention. So where is OTP not required? Some websites or services with poor security might let you make purchases using only card details. But money withdrawals, as in cashing out to a wallet or bank, almost always require OTP or login. So even platforms like Skrill, Neteller, and crypto wallets require additional login access. In illegal cases, stolen card data is often misused on dark web gateways, but that's fraud and criminal activity. So why OTP is mandatory? Banks and payment processors enforce OTPs to prevent unauthorized access. Trying to bypass this using hacks or exploits is not only risky, it's illegal in most countries. So if someone promised you fast money with just card details, run the other way. Stay safe, protect your info, and use verified apps to send or withdraw money. Like and subscribe for more real and honest guides. Thanks for watching.